my personal favorite, this one, the Four Faceless Horseman.
Hi there, Reggie with some narration, future Reggie, editing Reggie. So first you'll see me to Visitor Center Pond, which is in Wyoming, because that's where the visitor center is. It's about 0.26 of a mile. It's a loop, and it's also wheelchair accessible, so therefore it's just a concrete path. I don't know if that really qualifies as a hike, but technically I guess you could call it that. And then the one I'm going to do next, you will see in the video, is Sullivan's Knob. That was actually right across the state line, not too far. So you had to go into Montana, technically, to do Sullivan's Knob, which you'll see later on in the video.
We are traveling the 0.25 mile path. I wouldn't call this a trail. It starts at the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area Visitor Center. It goes around what used to be an old pond, which is now drying up and filled with cattails.
Oh boy, wouldn't want to sit in the grass here.
Here we are to begin Sullivan's Knob Trail, distance 1 mile, although the brochure says 0.75 miles. I'm going to measure it.
Alright, folks. So, interesting fact. Actually, we drove over the state line to be here. There are some wild horses that I've seen. I've seen several on this trip. But unfortunately, I haven't been able to get any clips of them, like proper ones. Look at that little canyon over there. Well, not little, but you see. It's quite beautiful out here. Cannot deny that. One of the things that I like about traveling as much as I do, first of all, I'm glad that I get to travel as much as I do. Very grateful for that. But one of the things that I like is how the landscapes change, you know? Like, just from place to place, it's a thing that you notice. So it's 800 feet to the bottom. There's a boat right there. I don't know if you guys will notice or not, but I actually upped the video quality so you can see like every single ripple in the water. I can do that because I have this amazing cell phone. Look at the zoom on that. That is incredible. Oh my gosh, look at the ant. I'm kidding, you can't see it. But wow, this zoom is crystal clear. Let's see if we can catch some people on the boat. Wow. 2 of them. Alright, enough spying. You guys shouldn't be doing that. Says the person holding the camera. Anyway, isn't this amazing? My dogs are barking. I'm just kidding, y'all. It hasn't even been nothing. It hasn't even been 2 miles. Like total today.
I also went to the Overlook, which is what you're gonna see next. And I see something in that clip about, oh, you know how something being so beautiful and it like almost brings a tear to your eye. Deadass, like I was just standing there myself and I felt like tears come into my eyes because like I can't tell you, like it just looks so beautiful out there. And I don't know, I'm just in awe sometimes at how like just things in nature will just look how they look, you know? It's crazy. I'm so grateful that I have eyes to see.
Bro, you know when you're looking at something so beautiful, it like brings a tear to your eyes? That's what just happened. This is, wow. Alright.
You're back online. You're on the.
I finally got the horses for you guys.